Hey everyone, and welcome to a quick update video on the Boeing situation. So Boeing, ticker symbol BA, is one of my largest personal holdings, but in the last 6 to 7 months we've had two big tragedies go down. Two planes have crashed of the type 737 MAX planes. Two absolute tragedies, should never have happened. And of course, since these have been two planes, the same type, they've been from Boeing, and it might be due to technical issues in the plane itself. We're not 100% sure yet. This is really bad news for Boeing. Now, first of all, my thoughts goes out to the friends and family of anyone who died or were affected by the tragedy. I hope all the strength in the world is with you, and I hope you can get through this in time. So, as an investor, is this a buying opportunity? I would say yes. I believe Boeing is one of the greatest companies in the world, and although this is very bad press and it's a tragedy and there's a lot of hate coming Boeing's way, it's one of the best companies in the world. They've done so much for humankind. They've allowed us to travel safely around the world, visit new places, see our loved ones. They've allowed us to explore space, to launch satellites. They do so much more than make these planes which unfortunately crashed. Now, it is very bad news because in 2018, of the 806 planes Boeing delivered, 580 were either 737s or NG or 737 MAX. So this is going to hurt the revenue now and in the coming years, and they will have to fix this issue. Now, stuff like this should never happen, but there are 300 or 400 of these planes, so they have flown for a while and flown many millions of miles. This was hopefully just very, 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 very bad luck, and I assure you that Boeing and everyone involved will fix this immediately. But this was bad luck for a very great company, and they do many different things. They have many different air models, and all the top planes through history, like 8 out of the 10 most sold airplanes in history, safest, best, most efficient, have been Boeing. So they have the best track record, best safety record, and I think this is just a setback. So I'm personally buying the dip. I'm not jumping up and down cheering for buying this stock cheap. I wish the news was something else. I wish no one died before this would happen, but I've been waiting for a dip in this stock. It almost never takes one, even during crashes or dips in the stock market. Boeing almost never goes down. Very safe stock, good dividend, great balance sheet, good growth, huge market potential. It's basically a duopoly. They only have one competitor. And if you want to know more about my personal thoughts on Boeing, watch my Why I'm Buying Boeing video. So this is no laughing matter. I'm not buying these stocks with a light heart, but it's a great company, and this is a buy the dip situation. Let me know what you guys think on this situation. Are you buying Boeing? Are you staying away? Are you selling? Are you buying Airbus stock? This is really bad news for Boeing. It will affect them in many years to come, but I hope they can fix it. So as always, I'll see you guys in my next video.